The third Senate hearing is a mess. Watch this.
Nakita ko pa yung matanda, humawak sa lamisa. Ayaw siya magpadala sa'yo. Ayaw niyang sumakay sa aeroplano. Sino nag-order sa'yo na isakay sa aeroplano?
Can I defer the questions, sir? The answer to the questions to the SOJ, considering that I have a team
you
of
are the one there. Wala si SOJ doon. Ikaw ang nagkarga sa kanya sa aeroplano. Kaya tinatanong kita, who gave you the order?
Still, sir, I take my orders from the Chief of the Philippine National Police.
So, Chief PNP, you give the order to have former President Duterte board the plane?
The orders to the CID is really to assist the PCTC when it comes to arrest po.
So, sino nagbigay ng order kay General Torre na ipasakay sa aeroplano?
It's always the guidance that ang ano po namin is really to assist ang PCTC po.
Kaya nga, PCTC, were you the one who ordered the boarding of President Duterte sa aeroplano? Categorically, did you or did you not give the order to General Marbil?
No.
No. So, General Marbil, are you lying?
So I'm not lying, but I just want to have the executive privilege po regarding this matter.
What is executive privilege? The doctrine of executive privilege defines the authority of the president to withhold documents or information in his possession or in the possession of the executive branch from the legislative or judicial branch of the government.
Dito na tayo eh. Executive privilege ka dyan.
Bakit naging executive privilege?
Kanina sinabi mo, PCTC ang nagbigay ng order. Ngayon, executive privilege ka.
Sino-sino na tinuro mo?
That's why we didn't want to attend the last hearing, because this is what we were expecting, ma'am. We didn't want to be bullied.
We're not bullying you, sir. We're not bullying you, sir. We're not bullying you, sir.
You're trying to make people admit something that they will not admit.